Thank you for joining us today. We are here at OMAX and I'm here talking to Stephen Bruner. Stephen, do you mind introducing yourself to the team?
Sure, Jessica. My name is Stephen Bruner. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for OMAX Corporation.
So Stephen, why don't you tell us what OMAX does?
We are the #1 manufacturer of abrasive water jets in the world. Abrasive water jet is a cutting technology. So if we think about it, we've got a source of energy, and what we're trying to do is basically cut parts. And so how water jets work is we highly pressurize water in a pump system. And in that pump system, we raise the pressure of the water to 60,000 PSI. And we take that water and we run it through some high pressure plumbing that goes from the pump to what we call the cutting head. And that's what focuses our beam of water.
So this is definitely a technology that can be used by any type of company within manufacturing.
It can. The wheelhouse for abrasive water jet technology is typically a low volume, high mix type of a product. So aerospace is a great example of an industry that is served well by abrasive water jet, where things like massive auto parts production and those kinds of things are probably wouldn't benefit by abrasive water jet and might be better off going to something like a laser cutting system.
Awesome. And then I have done my research. I've heard a little nugget that your company is very unique, where you use your own product to create your product.
We do. We have a water jet cell, so we'll use the water jet either to produce the finished product, or we'll use the water jet in preparation for another process, so a near net shape type of an application.
Wonderful. I have to ask, being around women in manufacturing here, do you guys see a lot of women either in the engineering side, or are we, represented at the operator side?
So we do. In manufacturing roles at OMAX, we have women working as machinists, as machine operators, material handlers, material assemblers, and then of course planning. It's a big operation, a lot of different parts. And so critical roles really within the company to make us a better company and make us run smoothly and get stuff made and out the door.
It's very great to hear such a diverse role is being played. And then we have our manufacturing conference coming up. Our theme on that is entrepreneurship with the city of Kent. What are some ideas, and how do you see entrepreneurship being used in your company with your employees if they have ideas or something that they think can help impact and add benefit to the company?
We have really two ways of doing that. So entrepreneurship at OMAX is we have a process that helps us be able to capture ideas from employees. So it's a process where we take employee ideas. They're the ones who are actually executing on a lot of the things that are happening around here. So any ideas they have to improve, it could be improvement in processes, it could be new iterations of products that we have, it could be new markets that we have. We have a process for capturing that information. And what we do is we take those and we actually review them at a management level. And then if they pass sort of a bit of a sniff test, they're assigned a management representative, and that management representative and that employee work together to build that business case to say, hey, this is something that we should consider doing as part of an organization.
Great, so it sounds like you have a really strong leadership back behind those people and their ideas.
Well, it's critical for something like that to be successful in the organization. There's a lot of people that have a lot of really great ideas, but sort of without having that management support of it, a lot of those ideas can find themselves very good ones, just not going anywhere, not getting enough inertia in the organization.
I just want to take a moment to thank Stephen for joining us today and giving us kind of a run through on what OMAX does here, his culture, and then how entrepreneurship has been a big part of how they push forward with innovation here at the company.
Jessica, thank you very much for your support in your organization and coming out, particularly during this time. I know it's difficult, so thank you for making the time for us as well.
Thank you for having us.